Tired of surprise deliveries, incomplete shipments, and warehouse chaos? Phone calls, Excel sheets, late trucks blocking docks? Did you know? Stockouts from unplanned deliveries can halt production. And coordinating truck arrivals? It's a manual mess. Not to mention, manual communication with suppliers, causing delays in invoice processing due to incomplete shipments. Introducing the ASN feature, an advanced digital document suppliers send before goods arrive. It provides advanced visibility, enables pre-shipment verification, and automates goods receipt note (GRN) preparation. Now, no more surprises at the loading dock. Let's walk through the process, step by step. First, the supplier logs into the portal with their credentials, accessing a clean, intuitive dashboard ready for action. Next, they create the ASN by referencing the relevant purchase order. All the necessary shipment details are quickly entered, making it easy to keep track of every order. The supplier then uploads the packing list, batch codes, expiry dates, and any other relevant details, ensuring that all shipment data is complete and accurate. Once the ASN is ready, the system prompts the supplier to select a delivery slot, making the scheduling process seamless and efficient. The supplier quickly selects a real-time available dock slot from the options displayed, confirming the delivery time, and the system automatically updates with the scheduled delivery. On the buyer's side, a real-time notification pops up, alerting them to the incoming shipment and displaying the ASN details along with the scheduled delivery time. With the delivery time confirmed, the warehouse team begins preparations, ensuring that everything is in place and ready to receive the goods as scheduled. Finally, when the goods arrive, the system integrates with the ERP to automatically create the inbound delivery in SAP, which simplifies the creation of the goods receipt note (GRN) and streamlines the entire receiving process by reducing manual data entry. According to a procurement lead of an FMCG retail company from Nairobi, they have reduced receiving time by 40% and eliminated 90% of shipment mismatches. Gain visibility, reduce congestion, and take charge of your inbound operations.